Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Windows 10 and Windows 11 won't boot, how to fix MBR or BIOS System Partition. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. No star under GPT indicates the system partition type is MBR or BIOS. Type list volume. Find your system volume. In my case, system volume is 1. Type select volume 1. Type format space, fs equal to ntfs space, quick. Type assign, type active. Type assign space, letter equal to L. Find your Windows installed drive, check drive one by one. In my case, Windows installed drive letter is F. Type bcd boot space, Windows installed drive letter / Windows space, /s. Assign drive letter / /f space, BIOS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.